YouTube, so in today's episode we are working on my Scion XB's release latch. If you own a Scion XB, sooner or later you will encounter this broken latch. Basically, underneath here is a release. You can hear that button where it releases the latch down here, which allows you to lift the hatch here up. So, being that this is made out of cheap plastic, it's inevitable that you will encounter this issue because it's made out of a cheap plastic. You can see how cheap it is. So, I have a remedy to solve this dilemma so that this will never happen again. And I'll show you. I met this two Scion XB aficionado who lives in Southern Cal, and they were kind enough to give me this strap right here. And I'm going to show you how to install this, because what it is once you insert this in here, okay, when you release this, all you have to do is just you grab this and pull, and the hatch will come up instead of pulling this thing right here. So that's my remedy for today. If you are interested in this episode, let's go have some fun. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening this hatch, right? And the only way I can open this hatch is to put my fingertips in underneath here. Press this button, you can hear the click, and then lift. That's the only way I can do to open the hatch. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put that strap in here first, okay? So, get your little tool out. This requires a 10mm socket to remove. You get your strap. This is a seatbelt strap. Put it in here. Okay. This is very ingenious. I discovered this thanks to those two guys, the young guys. Okay, you're done. So now, haha. So even if you have a broken latch here, watch this. See? So you hear this. So, but being that we like to keep our cars nice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this broken latch by removing this panel here. Okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull everything out. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, pull that out. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to unscrew that broken latch. 10mm bolt right here, nut right here. Alright. Okay. There's another 10mm nut. Okay, so now we're going to lift this latch out, and then we are going to disconnect a couple wire here. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to disconnect this. This comes out, should come out easily. I don't know if you can see what I just did. This thing comes out like this. Okay, see if we can salvage any of these. I'm gonna go get the parts for this, okay? Okay, so this is the part here. It's I got this from eBay. It's pretty cheap. Okay, it's if you're interested in this part right here, I'll put it down on the link under the description. Okay. Yeah, it's plastic, molded plastic too. Okay, so this is that part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, because it's just an empty shell, we are going to hijack everything, all the parts here, and we're gonna hijack everything and put it in this part right here. Okay guys, so there it goes. You guys saw me how I did this. Everything is back in place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this thing back in order. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. You see these two right here? They need to come out. So let's see how we can take this out without breaking anything. Okay. These two. Oh wow. Here. So little plastic washer goes here. Little plastic washer goes here. And then this goes here. And this also goes here. So basically this thing locks from here. So you see here, these little square tabs right here locks into there. So this is how I did it. Put this in here, put that in here, and then you could tighten it later, okay? So let's push this inside. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting my nuts into here. And then I'm tightening it. I use this because I'm not worried about over torquing it with power tools. This is an 8mm that came with the kit. 8mm nut. Okay, that's it. Alright. Alright, so this little thing right here, I don't know if you can see, this keeps the moisture out. We'll put this thing back in. Okay, so it's back in. Okay, so now this is idiot proof. They can only go in one way. There. Ah. Okay. Okay. So that's that, guys. And everything else is reverse. However I started it, or however you start, everything else is the same. Watch this, guys. Yeah, see? Watch this. Haha, it's fixed. But because I installed this tail, this thing will never break again. Watch this, see? There. There you go, guys. Well, that's it in this episode. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's been fun doing this.